Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. And in today's video, I'll be introducing you to a new website called Tesla Supercharger. And as we all know, Tesla is a car company, or is an electric car company that was founded by one of the richest men in the world called Elon Musk. Yes, Elon Musk is the founder of Tesla. So without wasting my time, let's get to the registration process. Click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this page right here, where you'll be asked to fill in a couple of details, which includes your mobile number and then a password for yourself to register an account on this website right here. So click here to enter your phone number or your mobile money number, any number of your choice, which should be your mobile phone number. Then you create a password for yourself over here, a security password. You can also use this same password in which you created as the login password here as your security password, but I will advise you use a different one over here as well. Now this code here, do not touch this code here. You need this code in order to create an account. Without this code, you won't be able to create an account for yourself. So after all that, click on where it says register and then register an account for yourself. So I already have an account, so I'll just have to log in into my website and then show you how this website works right here. So after registration, you'll be taken to this page here, which is the home page of this particular car website over here. So as you can see here, as the name suggests, Tesla Supercharger. So it is only talking about the superchargers of Tesla cars. Yes, and as you can see here, this is a slide here of some pictures of their superchargers, and this is a video of their superchargers, or how the superchargers works as well, which I have already played at the beginning of this video. So now let's get into their packages. When we come down here, you can see a list of packages from TS1, which is Tesla Supercharger 1, to all the way TS8. So now when we come here to the first one, which is the TS1 costs a sum of 60 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 6 Ghana cedis, and it is going to last for 365 days. Your total income is 2,190 Ghana cedis. TS equal is going for a sum of 120 Ghana cedis. 120 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 15 Ghana cedis, which also runs for a year. Now TS3 goes for the sum of 300 Ghana cedis, in which your daily income is 35 Ghana cedis. TS4 costs a sum of 650 Ghana cedis, and your daily income is 80 Ghana cedis. So I'll then skip to TS8. TS8 costs a sum of 12,000 Ghana cedis. Your daily income is 2,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 Ghana cedis per day, which is then going to run for 365 days, which equals a year. So now let's go to the me page right here. Your page, a page in which that displays your account balance and everything. So now when you come here, there are a couple of things you can see over here. We have a login password, a security password, in which if you want to change any of that of yours, you can click here to change any of that. So we have the help center right here, which you can contact their online customer service on Telegram, and then you can join their Telegram channel as well. Also, I'll leave their link to the Telegram channel in the video description, so do well to join the channel over there as well. So now let's head over to how to deposit onto this particular platform here. How to deposit on this particular platform. You come back to the home page and then you click on where it says recharge. Click on where it says recharge, and as you can see here, you can either deposit through MTN mobile money. You can deposit through MTN mobile money. So the minimum deposit you can make on this particular platform is 50 Ghana cedis. 50 Ghana cedis. So assuming I want to deposit a sum of 100 Ghana cedis right here, or 120 Ghana cedis. All I need to do is to input a sum of 120 Ghana cedis and then click on where it says proceed to recharge. Proceed to recharge. A page will then load, which is this page right here. When this page loads, you then copy this mobile number here and then go back to your dialer and send them an amount of 120 Ghana cedis. 120 Ghana cedis. After that, you input your transaction ID here. The transaction ID in your email on your transaction receipt. Input that transaction ID over here and then click on where it is recharge completed. Recharge completed. Now, I already have a balance of 125 in my accounts here. So now what I'm going to do here is to go to where it says products, and then I'll purchase the VIP2. As you can see here, click on that, and congratulations, you have successfully purchased VIP2. You have successfully purchased VIP2 of this particular platform. When I come to the tax section here, and as you can see, my product is actually working for me. The one in which I bought, which is the TS2, is actually working for me. So at the end of the day, which is 24 hours, you then come here and then claim your 15 Ghana cedis daily. And now let's head over to the withdrawal, on how to withdraw on this particular platform. You then click on where it says withdraw right here. A page is then going to load for you. Now you enter your real name over here. Enter your real name. I have inputted my name here, and I'll choose MTN mobile money. Then you enter your wallet address, which should be your mobile money number, and then click on where it says confirm. After that, you have successfully binded your bank account or your mobile money wallet to this particular website here, in which they will then transfer all funds of yours to that account for you. So that after clicking on that, on the withdrawal section, you come here and then input an amount in which you would want to withdraw here. So in case you want to withdraw a sum of 1,000 Ghana cedis, you click here to withdraw that. Then you input your security password as mentioned earlier on. Input your security password over here. Then as you can see, you just click on where it says confirm. The minimum withdrawal on this particular platform is 25 Ghana cedis, and a 5% gas fee is then going to be deducted from your money over here. So when you withdraw 25 Ghana cedis, they are going to deduct a sum of, they are going to deduct a 5% fee. 5% fee. So this is how you can be able to make money on this particular platform here. This is how you can be able to make money on this particular platform. So click on the first link in the video description and then register an account for yourself and start making some cool money from this particular website right here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and then subscribe to the channel.